the steps is not so solid, and the tiger hand is not strong enough. Follow me for the daily Kung Fu training and tutorial. And let's find out together how to improve the power with tiger hand, make your steps strong. Oh, it's so cold. The cold bath is one of a very effective way to recovering your muscle from Kung Fu training. Almost every day, I sit in cold bath for 15 or 20 minutes to recovering muscle from the work I had each day, do performance and teaching and training myself. It's very painful to sit in but recover very quick. The next day you wake up, you feel like a brand new person, still have energy, can do everything to allow you to Kung Fu martial arts training. Ooh, let's back to today's video. We get to training after the cold baths. We get to training the animal style mixed with tiger, leopard, snake, the southern style, Nanquan combos, training and tutorial. Let's go!
Jump, make the ground shake. 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 Like an earthquake.
Let's start the real training. Thank you for following me this far. If you're first time here, hi my friend, to subscribe my channel and hit the bell button so you don't miss out the next video. Hope you enjoy the daily Kung Fu training and tutorial so far. My goal is to help the people who are training at home, but they don't have a partner, they don't have equipment. And that is my goal, to help you to using everything you have in your home, use smaller space, you still can achieve the good Kung Fu. So follow me for the whole tutorial of Kung Fu training. Both hands cross and move your right shoulder twist. And you go stop and drop down. And both hands from top 45 go down. And you drop your shoulder, relax. And you stop at the same time to generate so much speed and power. After this, relax your elbow and also your shoulder. Like you're attacking or blocking your face like this. Right? So you got relax your shoulder. You can go quick, so relaxed and so quick. You say, how can I? 1 and 2 and great. So relax your right hand back to your waist, your right side. So all the way twist this side because you got generate like that power. You say how the feet, how the knee, or so from here you gotta go. So that speed will generate, will show to repeat training. And at the same time, okay, great. Let's get this together. So twist, relax, and drop shoulder. And go and go attack. You both hand crushing, go up. And you both shoulder and drop, and also your elbow drop, and your hand from top and go down to attacking, and the both shoulders are the height right here. And you go you say the whole piece, your height, your body, and from top of your waist is one piece. So from here, yeah, just drop. That's generate so much speed and power with your hand, like one piece. You go with your inhale up and exhale, inhale and exhale, like that. Inhale and exhale. So much power, speed. Perfect. Let's get this together. You say faster speed. That's my problem. So once I do full speed, I lost my balance. So I think the problem still steps is not solid enough, and the power is not solid enough. So I want to fix this problem. So all I want to do, I want you try, my friend. So if you're training at home, you're learning this combo, you can start the first move, and then you can adding a little speed and more speed with more moves, and then you can test out how you can keep balance with the full intense and full speed movement. Okay, let's find out. I think it's better, and my focus and my movement, I think better. Let's do one more time. Get this power, the speed. No, it's not loose enough. So that's why I stuck a little bit here. So I don't have the energy, the full power out. Only when I come back and relax enough, and that's the power can give out. So relax your waist, shoulder. It's not always tight, right? Got this. My focus, my purpose, my targets, my intention is attacking. Come back. This is blocking, and this is attack. Get this full speed. I can do this. I think that's better. Let's continue after this. So I love the next move. You got feet cross. You say, my stance is always have problem because this very complicated. You gotta step this, you gotta step this, you step. Which is the circle. It's very hard to keep balance once you do the full power and full speed. That's how I want to be improved, to be better today. I don't want you see the problem. If you training with me, you're learning from me, and I want you can see the problem I have, and you can fix as well. Or this is your future problem.
All right, let's do it. Let's count down all together. I can do this. Whoosh! The shoulders is tough. See, the power, right? So lose power, like lose power. So you have to learn relax before explosive. Always, yeah. Relax power, relax power. Relax. It's great. I feel great. The whole thing, I doing the full circle. I feel like my hand have the power, and my hand have the elbow has the power, and my blocking and my strike, everything. But at the end, the last pose, I still losing my balance. So that's the way. So you're doing it. You give 100% and give the full speed. I'm not asking you in the first day. That's eventually you want to try this. If you want to find out problem, you need to give all you have. You need to give the full speed and try the best you can. Then the problem will be shown. Then you can have chance to show this. So if this is in real situation, if you always lost a balance, it's not good thing. So you have to be solid. You're grounded, your feet and your hand. With the power. Okay, let's do one more time. Make a perfect one, and then I want you training with me with a slower motion, and for today's tutorial. Thank you so much. Yes. I think this time much better because I pay attention for the end and last. So I have to ground it with my stance, and I really pay attention. I push my heel and then my knee to be pushed straight like this, with very solid with my stances, and like that. And I can really push the power with my right hand, but also balance my stance solid and strong and with powerful my hand. All right, thank you so much, my friend. Then lastly, follow me for step by step, move by move, to achieve today the animal style of the Shodan fist, the Shodan style of Kung Fu. Let's go. Once, both hand cross, go down, elbow, relax, come back, twist your right hand on your waist, and boom, attack. Both hand relax all the way, go top, and go solid, go down. And this is the first move. Your snake hand cross, and you go step over both hands, and step to left, 45. You with your elbow, tiger hand right here. And cross, and step left, elbow up, and with your tiger hand, solid ball stance. All right, that's all for today. Thank you so much to watching me. So follow the steps. I hope the training motivate you, make you want to move more and to keep up training. So by the way, this is a Shifu JJ. I never stop to training and never stop to teaching. So I see you in the next video. Love you all. Bye-bye.